Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. All right,
Yes, thank you. Remember to check out my members. They're down listed in the description box. All right, and guys, watch this entire video. Yes, you're gonna braid it here, you're gonna put in crochet weave. Need to try this moisturizer. You can make it by yourself. Boom. Yes guys, I'm back at it again with how to grow your hair, and I'm making it, guys. Yes, I'm making it. And guys, this video I'm making it actually 1 week before, because I'm gonna braid my hair. This is the new look for African Pride bottling, and of course, yes, it's the same product on the inside. This is olive oil anti-breakage daily hydration oil moisturizing lotion, and of course, this is for your hair and your scalp. Now, a lot of moisturizer is not built for the scalp, but look at this, guys. This, remember LCO? Yes, I talk about it already in another video. LCO mean liquid oil cream. It's the acronym, all right? I know I messed up around there. It doesn't matter, right? It's the same thing. Guys, to see the instructions, I'm showing you there in the directions. Always make sure to read what is in the bottle. What's inside of it. Of course, it's products, but what make the products that is inside of it, all right? Because you want to be sure that you're not using something that you're allergic to. Now, this, of course, this moisturizer is an oil base, so you have in olive oil and of course tea tree oil. Yes guys, tea tree oil. I am and I'm adding my pimento seed to this, guys. I know I'm gonna get hair booster. Yes, and guys, yes, I lit a candle. Yes, I'm a candle, and I put some coffee beans, just smash it, and guys, the atmosphere, it was relaxing. So I'm showing you my pimento seed. I'm using 2 large pimento, guys. I see them big. The pimento seed was so big, guys. I'm gonna go right back to the bottle, of course. Yes guys, deep conditioning. This is a deep conditioning. You have different types of moisturizing treatments, of course, and leave-in. This one, you don't have to rinse it out. It is a leave-in, and it is for the hair and the scalp. See, dryness, anti-breakage, and of course it will rehydrate the hair, guys. Come on, this is you have to check it out and use it. You have 4C here, 4B, whatever your type, coarse, fine. You gotta test this out. And of course, I'm gonna use my jar. that jar is pretty old, guys. I bought it when I was 19 years old. Yes, 19 years old. And I thought it's $27, or then I paid for it. So now I'm gonna put the pimento seed on a paper towel, whatever you use. You can always use whatever you have in your home. About pimento seed, I'm coming with black pepper and pimento seed, and I'm also coming with sweet pepper. I smashed the living daylight out of this, guys, with the bottom of the jar there. Not jar, but the piece or glass container, whatever. So yes guys, and I use my hand to just move it around a little bit. I don't want to smash it all out, because I want to have some small, I want to have a mixture of different sizes right there in my mixture. Yes guys, that can work. I mean, this, you don't need to add anything else, and this is, if you have sensitive scalp, you can go ahead and use it, but make sure, please make sure that there are no cuts, bruises, abrasion on this scalp. And if you are allergic to tea tree, don't use it. And guys, the next thing too, if you have problem with oily scalp, this is not for you. I will rather you use a liquid base than an oil or cream base, because we don't want to cause any more damage that is happening there. Remember that your hair your scalp produces oil, its own natural oil, that in the sebaceous glands. So of course we don't want to overcrowd that, all right? See, I say smash, smash, smash. Guys, the coffee, guys, you gotta try that out. You gotta make your coffee. This was a gift from, you know, a dear person, and I just made my own little thing in it. See, now I use 2 tablespoons. I thought it was shooting, but it wasn't. Sorry about that. But 2 tablespoons of the African Pride liquid oil moisturizer, not liquid oil. And then you see, I'm just gonna sprinkle in, bam, that I'm gonna just stir it up. But guys, guess what I did now? I'm gonna give you a follow-up on this treatment because it's an oil base and I don't want it to be runny on my scalp. I'm gonna let it sit for 2 to 3 days. I'm not gonna braid my hair until the weekend, so I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna show you guys in a short video what it comes out to be, what it's like now. So guys, of course it's oil based. As I show you again, I want to make sure that you guys see that it is oil, not liquid, not cream, so it's gonna be a bit runny. If you don't want to use oil, you can use whatever you have, but guys, if it does not say scalp treatment, you got to get a different moisturizer. Why? Not all moisturizer is for the hair and the scalp. Some is just for the hair and some is just for the scalp, but this is a 2-in-1. This is for the hair and the scalp, and no sulfate, yes guys, and no gluten. So if you are taking yourself away from that one, this is the product to do. And this is not a paid promotion. I'm not getting paid for bigging up African Pride, but of course you guys supposed to know that the herbs in the hair dressing, which you guys call aka hair oil, so I'm gonna cover it of course with a paper towel because I wanted to see that I don't want anything to go inside of it. So guys, guess what? We've come to the end of another video. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys on Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Jamaican time. Please remember to check out the description box for the members listed down there. If you want to join my membership, go ahead. So yes guys, and once again, thank you very much for watching. See you on Sunday. Bye bye.